just got a glazed donut pre-lunch snack. So cool. So this place is like a place of riddles, I guess, and the password's right there.
How is it?
It's really good.
Yeah?
Yeah, actually, like really good. It's kind of spicy though. Guys, so this place is so cool because when you ring the bell, like they come and like help you order your food. And our waiter is really cute.
She hasn't stopped giggling since we got here.
Jimmy thinks he's cute too. That is huge, babe. Put it next to your face. Oh my god.
How's the coffee?
Well, one, it's huge. It's the size of my head. It's like a 7-Eleven Slurpee. And two, it's really good. It's really smooth.
Yeah?
They don't mess around with coffee in Seoul.
I'm with my friend Songi, and we're getting like this facial thing done, massage thing, and thank God she's here because I didn't understand anything they said and she translated everything, but I'm gonna go in and get it and I'll let you guys know how it is. I think it's at this place called like Celltrion or something. But anyways, I've never done this before because we don't really have this in America, so let me try it. I'll let you guys know. That was very, very relaxing. I really liked it. Oh, look at my skin. That's a candle. It's so cute.
Now I'm at dinner with Jimmy. Look how delicious that looks.
I ordered 2 meals for myself.
I know.
I think one is for Hannah, but
I know. Wait, open that little thing. All right, how is it?
I think you actually like the whole noodles.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This one is mine, but actually Jimmy's because he's very hungry. So cute.
Which one do you like more? Oh, interesting. I thought you would like this more.
So good, right?
Hello. We are currently with a couple friends, gonna go to Common Ground and shop a little bit. We're here. Restaurant called Mellow Garden with my dad, And Jimmy just got his food.
She's coming.
Ooh. Wow.
I'm gonna give a little bit to Jimmy.
Okay. What about me?
You have it. Very similar.
Dad, what do you think?
What do you? It's really, really good. Oh my god. Thank you, Hannah.
How's yours? Good?
I wish you got pasta. Pasta's delicious.
You can have some of mine, okay?
이거요? 아니요, 이거. 예.
Oh, so cute. You squeeze and the water comes out?
And then you tap it right here.
Uh-huh.
Tap it at the side, and you make the.
Wow.
Jimmy's so serious. Hannah, zombies. Hannah, Peppers looks like zombie. Zombie. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. Looks good.
But it's fun to make it for each other. Also, guys, I want to show you our rings. Ta-da! So cute!
Okay, are you excited?
Very excited. It will be stressful. When we get there, we'll show you an empty apartment tour.
Yeah. Well, yeah, I guess it will be empty because they're not building a furniture till later, huh? Anyway, these are our bags.
We're finally leaving this place
Oh,
after a
there's
month.
so much, so many bags. We get to leave this room with this decor, and then goodbye, Samsung. I've been staring at this out my window for a month. Oh no, it's blurry, but that's the Samsung logo. Goodbye to everything we've ever known in Korea.
Welcome to our empty apartment tour. Hi, Dad.
Hello.
Okay, so when we enter, we have this little like entryway, and then this is the first bedroom. And then we have like mirrors here, and then we have this wine holder thing, and then Jimmy. Okay, this is the living room, and they have a little air con here. It's pretty spacious. And then behind us is the kitchen. Ooh. And then there's like laundry out on the balcony. And then there's a bathroom here. First bathroom. And this is the second bedroom. And then you go here, and this is the master bedroom. It's actually quite small for the master bedroom, but there's like hella closets right here. And then we also have our own bathroom, which is, wait, how do you turn this on? Yeah, so this is the master bathroom. It's really, really nice, I think. But yeah. Okay, anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I have to hang up now because I gotta unpack and my battery's gonna die. But I'll see you guys when it's more furnished.